Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Make sure Chromecast is powered and on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Open the Google Home app. You may need to accept permissions so the app can find devices. Once the device appears, tap the Chromecast tile, then choose Cast My Screen and confirm Start Now. This uses the native casting path for full-screen mirroring, so you don't need extra cables or apps. Make sure your phone stays unlocked while the session initiates, so the stream begins cleanly. Once casting starts, optimize performance. Switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if your router and Chromecast support it, because higher bandwidth reduces lag. Make sure you close intensive apps and turn off battery saver on your phone so the OS won't throttle the stream. Also, check your TV volume and device media volume. Audio is relayed through Chromecast, so mismatched levels can sound wrong. If you need a mirror from a laptop, use Chrome browser's Cast Desktop feature and pick the Chromecast. To finish, stop casting in Google Home or tap the cast tile in Quick Settings and choose Stop Casting. This cleanly releases resources. If you see stutter or disconnects, restart both your phone and the Chromecast and make sure they are on the same Wi-Fi band, not one on 2, 4 and the other on 5. If your device can't find Chromecast, reboot the router. Only after repeated failures, use factory reset on Chromecast and set it up again. This sequence resolves almost every common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.